welcome to Bottoms Down, Chair Yoga for Everyone. I'm Carol. I'm glad you've joined us today. So today we're starting a chair yoga series that I'm calling Around the Body in 30 Days. Each class will focus on an area of the body. Some will be seated and some will be standing. And then we'll rotate through the different classes that focus on 10 areas of the body. So my husband, who does all of the behind-the-scenes camera work and post-production video work, and I were gone for an extended period of time recently, which prevented us from developing new videos for this series. So we're going to leverage existing bottoms-down content, which explains why my hair and the studio sets and the production quality might be different. But I want to assure you that it's all bottoms down chair yoga. Now, you don't need anything fancy. Some comfortable clothes that allow you to move around freely. And you can decide if you like the support of wearing tennis shoes or if you prefer to go barefoot. I personally go barefoot for bottoms down, but I tend to wear shoes when I teach in-person classes. I just don't recommend sandals as your feet can slide around in them. Now, you'll also need a stable chair. No arms and no wheels. And we don't want the chair to slide, so if you can, put it on carpet or maybe a sticky yoga mat just to keep it stable if we push on it in a standing pose. Now, in our chair yoga practice, we do all the same movements, poses, or asanas that you would experience in a mat yoga practice. The difference is that we don't get up and down off the floor. Now, we'll be seated in our chairs or we'll be standing. And if you want, you can stay seated the entire time. Now, we may use a yoga block from time to time, so that's a good thing to use, or you can substitute a big book for that block, okay? So this is another option for you. We might also use a strap from time to time. So this is a yoga strap, right? But if you have a belt, you can just substitute a belt for that. You can also substitute a necktie or even a scarf. Now, these props are useful because the block helps bring the floor up closer to us. And the strap is used to extend our arms. It just makes the arms a little bit longer. But you can still do the work without them, and I will always give you options. The final thing you'll need is some time. I know that your time is valuable, and I appreciate it so much that you've chosen to spend some of it with me. Committing to yourself that you'll take the time each day to move through these chair yoga poses is very powerful. So let your family, friends, and other loved ones know what you're doing so they can be respectful of this time you've chosen to do something empowering for yourself. Or, better yet, ask them to come along with you. So welcome, my fellow Bottoms Downies. I'm so happy you are here and joining us on this lovely chair yoga journey. Now, let's sit back in our chair. Place your hands lightly on your thighs. Flip your palms up. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's think about what we want to gain from our journey together. Let's take a deep breath in and a full breath out. One more. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Bring your hands to your heart. And with a slight bow, welcome all the blessings coming your way from this experience. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining our community on this chair yoga exploration together. Whether you're just starting this journey in the new year or finding us later on, know that it's a beautiful way to honor yourself. And I will see you next time.